Hello, everybody. I'm Vincent Chung in fourth grade at Baranoff Elementary School. I made a project about the Olympic rings in Python. This is the code for drawing the 5 rings. And this is the program for drawing my name. Now I'm going to run the code. Right now it's drawing the blue circle for the Olympic rings. Next it's going to draw the yellow circle. Drawing these circles are pretty similar, but the difference is some turn right and some turn left. When it's done drawing the last circle, it will begin drawing my name. Thank you, everybody. I'm Vincent Chung from Baranoff Elementary.